I almost erased the design on my coffee mug because I thought I'd made a huge mistake, but it turns out I was actually drawing a victory I didn't see yet. We're looking at Nehemiah 6:9 today to see how he handled threats, and I'm going to show you how a fail in my artwork taught me the exact same lesson about godly discernment. Nehemiah 6:9 says, "For they all wanted to frighten us, thinking their hands will drop from the work and it will not be done. But now, O God, strengthen my hands." Nehemiah was being threatened, lied about, and cornered, but he did not instinctively fire back. He did something much more powerful. When you're faced with false accusations and threats, what do you do first? Faced with so much oppositions, threats against his life, and false accusations, Nehemiah did not get scared. He did not take offense, nor did he immediately fire back. He went straight to God. God was first. Scripture tells us in Psalm 50:15, "Call upon me in the day of trouble. I will deliver you, and you shall glorify me." Nehemiah also used godly discernment to know that the man telling him quotation marks prophetic lies was not sent by God. So he was able to avoid the temptation to be afraid. Nehemiah went straight to God because he knew who started the work in the first place. That's the choice I wanted to capture on this mug, even if I almost missed the point of my own artwork. After drawing these fists, I first thought to myself that I messed up the orientation of the hands, where the thumbs should have been on the outsides, as if Nehemiah were looking at his own hands during prayer. However, a Christian friend of mine explained to me that day that when people win at something, they throw their fists up in the air, and that's exactly what I'd drawn without even realizing it. She told me there are no mistakes in that. She is right. We are victorious no matter what opposition we encounter when we trust in God through his son Jesus. The Lord gave me discernment that my friend was being used by him in that moment to give me clarity. Just like Nehemiah, when we use godly discernment, we can see past the mistakes or the threats and see the victory God is already working out. Let God be the very first person on your mind when challenges in your daily faith walk come your way, and know that victory awaits you when you trust in Jesus. Type, "I will trust in him" in the comments if you know you will look to him when challenges come your way. I'm really looking forward to seeing you again at our next coffee break.